Hello everyone, good evening. Hope you people are safe and fine. I am Brenda from Chennai, making my first video on how to make a greeting card. I love making cards and handmade Rakis, and I love to sell them too. The process of making a greeting card goes like this. All you need is some chart paper, pencil, scissors, some sketch pen, a 2-way tape, eraser, color papers and some glue. Now we have taken a chart paper of a particular color. Now we will fold this chart paper into 2 equal halves. If you want to cut the length, you can cut the length according to the choice of yours. So let me cut the chart paper to the choice of also I have cut a small portion of this chart paper in the front. Now we fold this chart balance to the length of our requirement. Yes, now it would be like this. The opening part would be like this. So now for the decorations. Here we'll have some flowers on both the sides and some balloons over here. So let's see how to make a flower. So I take a sheet of a color paper of either orange and red. So I fold it into equal halves, say 3 or 4 or 4 or 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So now we take a color and we draw some designs. Might be a heart shape, something like this, and now we cut this. So now I have made some flowers from orange and red. So let's stick this flower on both the sides with the help of some glue. So we take some glue and we stick the sharp portion of the flower. We can stick in 4 different sides. Now the other flower. In this flower, we stick the broader portion. Same procedure in the 4 different directions. And now it's done. And with the help of the colors, we give the borders for this, so that it will look even more brighter. So we give the designs like this. Outer borders. The design of the flowers and everything depends on your personal choice. So this is done, and now this. It is the same procedure. This is just to give the flowers a brighter look. So this is done. So now we make some balloons. So I don't think you need too much of papers for this. So just a small bit of papers. So let's see. So for the balloons, you just need small pieces of paper. That would be more than enough for a balloon. So we just draw the top of a balloon like an O. And now you cut this balloon according to the shape. So I have made some balloon shapes. So let us take this with the help of a 2B tape. So we stick one side of the sheet to the balloon. Like this. And here we stick one. Same way with the other balloons. Like this. So now with the help of a black sketch, we just make some drawing which just looks like a thread for a balloon. That is thread, correct? So next, same way, we draw the outlines for this balloons also, so that it looks little more darker and brighter. So now what we do is we write it as happy birthday. And now in the center, if you want to draw a flower, you can do that, or you want to stick a flower like this, that also can be done. So now let me draw a flower. So now I have drawn the flower and I've given it a black background. You have many options to color this flower. You can use glitters, or you can use some stones, or you can even use your sketch pens. So now for these two flowers, we can stick a stone in the center so that it will look even more elegant and gives a beautiful look. So I have this type of half pearl with me. So I will stick that in the center with the help of some glue. So add some glue in the center. A small drop on both the sides. So, and now you stick this pearl in the center. And let it dry. Like this. So now in the center, next step, we go to the inside. We will be opening it like this. Here in the center, we stick the sheet to the length required. So it is your choice. You want to stick the full thing or you want to stick the basic. So let me stick this and come back. So now I have stuck this paper. So let us do some borders first before we go to the next process. So the borders also can be of your choice. There's no hard and fast rule. So I'll make my own borders. So it goes like this. So let me finish my borders and come back. So now I have done the borders on the top of the card and also inside. So now coming to the content. Here we write it as to. Here we write it as from either on both the sides. You can write it either here or here. But the content solely depends upon the person you're going to give this to. It can be your dad, it can be your mom, your brother, sister, your friend. It can be anyone for the matter. But the content solely depends on the person to whom you're giving this card. The content for a father would be different. The content for a mother would be different. Same way with your brother, sister or friend. So here, as of now, the content is specified to the specific people. So this is the basic card design of a card, and I think this is the easiest method too. So hope you like it. Thank you. Thank you guys for watching my video. I'll be posting more interesting videos for you guys. Please subscribe, like and comment if you really like the video. Thank you so much.